Now, for the sake of our viewers po, maybe you could help us. Paano ba, what's the process dun sa ICC? Kunyari, binigay na nila yung arrest. And then
Mm.
where does it go? It goes to the Department of Justice, then to PNP, CIDG executes. Ano po bang process nila?
Actually, ang proseso nila ngayon, hindi na tayo sangkot sa we just did the preparation, no? Kumbaga, hinanda natin yung ano. Actually, wala namang tayo yung nag-ano na sa kanila. Kumbaga tayo na yung nagbigay sa ano. We knew that ICC was after the former president. Pero, so ngayon, kumbaga, pwede naman kasing hindian eh. We could have found any
Yun.
which reason.
Right.
We could have found any reason. But at a certain stage, we decided, kasi ano yung nag-flip-flop yung position. In the beginning, sinasabi, wala silang katuturan. Pero ngayon, tayo pa yung nagbigay. You know? Tayo pa yung nag-surrender ng ating citizen dun sa court. Kaya yun inaangal ng mga tao. Pero actually, based on what has happened, hindi talaga, we cannot complain because the state itself, Philippine state itself, surrendered the citizen. So ang ano natin ngayon is, we need to be, this is my perspective, no? We need to, hindi na legality ito in that sense, no? It's no longer the legality.
But an academic.
Saan ba siya nanggaling? Ba't nangyari? Ba't nagpalit? Ba't nagbago? Tsaka, ano yung gustong mangyari? Ano yung gustong mangyari? Bakit ito nangyari? So, although we don't know exactly what, but we have certain speculations, and we can go into that later.